really small class sizes so that everyone gets to know each other really well. All of our lectures are based on discussion work and problem solving, so that everyone has the opportunity to contribute.
So the benefits of small size is students get much help during the lectures. For example, if they have some questions, they have opportunity to ask tutors, and the tutor will explain these questions for them.
Yeah, I really appreciated the smaller class sizes. It's meant that if you're in a lecture and there's maybe a subject or a specific equation that you've not fully understood, you have the confidence that afterwards you can go and meet up with the lecturer one-on-one and talk it over and get a better understanding of it.
I find that it makes it a whole lot easier to have one-on-one time with the lecturers. So if you have a question, you can just go to a lecturer and you don't have to fight other people to get answers. But also it makes it easier to get along with your other classmates because it's such a tight-knit group.
Every student is allocated a PAT who they meet with to discuss all aspects of university life. We have an open door policy so that students can come and talk to us about anything at any time.
The one-to-one support has been great. Honestly, it's felt like any time I've needed any assistance with coursework or even just understanding a lecture, the lecture head or my PAT is always there, is always available for me to just drop in and see.
The teachers are really friendly, so if you can come to them with anything and they will answer them, and they will answer really enthusiastically.
The one-to-one support's been really good. All of the lecturers are always, available on Teams or via email if you need them. You have your own PAT who is always available, but all of them are available for their specific subjects and expertise, and they will have done the lecture so they'll know best what you might not be understanding.
We have employability embedded into every module along the way. In first year we start with building CV, interview techniques and presentation skills. All students have a work-based learning placement in their second year, which gives them the opportunity to work in day-to-day roles. Some students have worked in HMRC, the NHS, accountancy firms and teaching in schools, and some students have been offered placements and full-time roles for when they complete their degree.
Yeah, I've learned quite a lot of employability skills. Probably the biggest one is the ability to work in a team. So we've been set lots of group courseworks. You're set in a group of 3 and then the work is sort of delegated. You've got to work out who's doing maybe the presentation of a PowerPoint and then who's doing a specific topic in that.
I have learned how to do things such as write CVs. I know how to do interviews, what kind of questions I'll be asked. I know how to write essays. I know how to present myself, say I am this person. Please hire me.
For workplace learning, I plan on taking a placement in a school because it aligns with my career path.
I'm hoping to take part in employment in a high school. I'm hoping to teach maths to high school students there because that is something I've always wanted to do, and I think it will really help me in the future, in my future career.
Altogether, I think this course has really given me confidence in going out there and finding an employer who will want me for my skills.
Last year, students have a mathematical project course. So that means each student will have a tutor to help them to write a project.
So in graph theory, I've done networks, which has applications in connectivity. It means that you can map out an area and see maybe the distance between 2 different areas and see what's more efficient. So that's very applicable in lots of different subjects.
In A-levels, I was really interested in algebra and how all of that side of maths works. And now in university, we are learning about this in more detail. We're expanding into how, the nitty-gritty of it and how all that functions. I find this really interesting and I really enjoy doing it.
If I've struggled just on researching a topic, there's always been materials provided from lecturer, support from those lecturers in how to find them, and even support from other classmates.
Students have a lot of opportunities throughout their course to do some research. They can work in group theory, coding theory, mathematical biology and ecology. With maths, there's no limit to what you can do.